So when does the restoration project become a car? Do you care? Are you happy to just work on it forever? I, for a fact, actually do care. I do want this project to finish and become a car. Working on cars is only one part of who I am. There's many other things I like doing. There's many other things I want to achieve. So this is like an interior trim part. I don't even know what colour it's supposed to be finished, but it's around about the door jamb. Picture the back window around there, and it's on the inside of the roof line. Because I've never had this car together, I'm not really sure how it fits in, but so it's had a bit of pitting, surface rust. I've hit it with everything, strip it disc. On the inside, I've taken it on the inside. I'm thinking about leaving that. This is inside the car. After I paint it, I could fish oil that. I could just hit it with overspray. It's not going to matter. And these clips inside the car, these will not rust out in 20 years. Is it rough? Am I taking shortcuts, not cleaning that and stripping it back? Not replacing these clips or not acid soaking these clips? Or am I just moving ahead and making this a car? Where do you draw the line? When does it end?